Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP printer showing an E4 error? The error occurs due to debris in the internal parts of the printer, jammed papers, and outdated printer driver. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to remove jammed papers, clean debris, and update the printer driver. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's start with the Windows device. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Check for a paper jam. First things first, grab a lint-free cloth or swab and some distilled water. Go ahead and open up the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the print carriage stops moving and just sit still. Now move to the back of the printer and unplug the power cord. Take a look inside the ink cartridge area. Check if any paper is jammed in there. You can gently move the print carriage side to side to see better. Press the little tabs on both sides of the paper path cover and lift it out. Carefully pull out any jammed paper you find in the path. Lift the flip gate on the duplex rollers. Check for any paper stuck underneath. Once you're done, lower the flip gate back down. Reinsert the paper path cover. Close the ink cartridge access door. Pull out the input tray and remove all the papers. Use a flashlight or a phone's flashlight to look inside the tray area for any tiny bits of paper jam. Once everything looks clear, close the input tray. Gently tilt the printer onto its side so you can access the clean out area at the bottom. Slide the input tray out again and check for any stuck papers at the bottom part. Put the printer back upright and close the input tray. Open up the ink cartridge access door. Check inside for anything loose. Sometimes little bits of paper or clips can get in there. Now bring the lint-free cloth or swab and distill water. Lightly dampen your cloth with the distilled water and make sure it's just slightly moist, not dripping wet. Note, be super careful not to let any drops of water fall inside the printer. Open the paper path cover. Gently wipe the paper rollers to clean off any dust or debris. After that, let the rollers dry completely for at least 10 minutes. Once everything's dry, put the paper path cover back in place. Close the ink cartridge access door. Tilt the printer on its side again to reach the clean out area underneath. Slide the input tray out. Use your lint-free cloth again to gently clean the grey rollers. This helps remove any leftover dust or debris. Completely dry the rollers. Bring the printer into the upright position and close the input tray. Plug the power cord back in. Press the power button to turn your printer on. If it starts up automatically, you're all set. If the error has disappeared, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing more issues with the printer, let us know in the comments. In case the error is still there, let's update the printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver. Click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Print Hues section. Now, find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, choose Search Automatically for Drivers window will then check for latest updates and install them for you. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.